Hi everybody, my name's Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. Today I'm going to talk to you about an Australian hat brand, Akubra. Akubra has been going for many, many years making the traditional bush hats. And the one I've got here today is the Akubra Coolabah, which is not a hat that you can get in the UK. I suspect for the reason, in fact, let's show you the hat. Um, this is the hat. It's absolutely stunning, and as you can see, it's got a hat band on the outside here, which is actually genuine crocodile. Which I think, as a personal import, you can bring these hats into the UK, but they're not allowed to be imported by a distributor. Hence, there's not many of them out. So this hat is really quite nice. It's a very very thick felt, very sort of utilitarian hat, one that's favoured by a lot of outdoors people, and I absolutely love this hat, and it's an absolute classic. But on the inside, you can see that it's got a beautiful lining, which can come out. It does get a bit hot in the summer if you don't like having a lining in the hat. Akubras are quite often worn or even supplied without a lining. The leather hat band is beautifully smooth on these. It really makes it very, very comfortable. And of course, it's got all the branding in there: Akubra, Coolabah, made in Australia, everything you'd expect. And of course, the size indicator at the top here. Now, let's have a look at this because it's a very big hat. So let's look and see what size the brim and the crown is. Oh, right. Now the crown measures 11 centimeters at the front and 10 centimeters at the rear. So slightly higher at the front than at the rear. The actual brim of the hat is 8 centimeters, so just over 3 inches, which is quite a big brim. Now this one, unlike cowboy hats, which sort of they hook up a bit like this. This, of course, is one that angles from back to front, which is a really quite a nice look. Another feature of this hat is that they've got air vents here to help with keeping your head cool whilst wearing it on a hot day. And at the back here, I can see that leather. Oh, it's there for hanging your hat up. So if you've had a long day and you in the Land Rover and you want to hang it up in the back, then you've got something to hang it up on rather than hanging it up on the leather headband inside. Let's have a look at it on and see what you think. But so this one's a 61, which is a little bit big on me, but actually it's brilliant for keeping the rain and the bad weather off my shoulders. I tend to wear it with a bush jacket or a one of these tweed walking jackets, if you like, and it's a really nice look and very, very comfortable. Something that everybody who's a hat collector should have an Akubra of one sort or another in their wardrobe. I think on one of my other videos, I did a review of the Akubra Style Master, which is an absolute fabulous hat for value for money. And I think this Coolabah is also a terrific hat. It's quite expensive. I think they're about £230 or something. It's probably because of the hat band that's on there. But if you can pick one up secondhand here in the UK, then it will certainly be a great addition to your collection. So that's the Akubra Coolabah. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.